Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video, I'm going to show you how to renew your old straw hat to make it a new one. I actually bought this hat years back and it's been lying there very dirty, old, squeezed, and they've been telling me throw it away. I said no, and I decided to try this method out and it worked for me. Kindly watch till the end to learn how I did it. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making it. I hope you all know this kind of cooler. You can use any cooler. Okay, just use something that will fit into the hat. Okay, you can see how dirty is looking squeezed. Okay, so what I need to do right now is to first of all detach this design. Okay, before then let me show you the rest thing. Here is my stiffener, a UHU, my scissors, and let's start. So let me remove this now. I'm going to keep this because I'll definitely still need it later on. So what I need to do is to first of all wash it. Okay, I added some white detergent into a bowl of water. Just put the hat inside and start washing it like this. You can wash with your hands or a brush. I decided to get a brush so that those stains can leave the hat. Okay, so I'll just wash like this. Don't be scared, it will not wash away the color. So after this, I squeezed it out and I added new water and rinse it. You can see it's looking new, so I'll just some kind of dust it or use this rag to pat it dry so that it's dry, and it's even better that it's wet so that it can mold very well. After patting it dry, I'll wear it or put it inside the cooler. Put the cooler inside anyway. Okay, like this. After doing it like this, I'll hold it, make sure I stretch it to make sure it balances inside. After that, I'll turn it down like this, try to pull it down to make sure everything is firm. And remember that we cannot mold both this crown and the brim together. So after the upper part is dry, that's when I will mold the down part. So I'll just tie, because I cannot use tags on this because of I don't want to damage my cooler, so I will have to tie a rope or this kind of pieces of cloth on it so that it can be firm. Thereafter, I'll get my stiffener and apply stiffener by dabbing it in all over the hats. Okay, so I'll continue like this till I go round. Mind you, I'm going to stop this stiffener at the place where I tied. Okay, I'm not going to go beyond that place. I'm going to continue adding the stiffener like this till I go around this mold, yes, mold. So once I'm done, I'm going to put it in the sun and make sure that you expose it to sun, real sun. Okay, here is it. It's dry, fully dry. Can you see it? Wow, it's looking nice and it's taking the shape. So all I need to do now is to pull it out of this food flask. Okay, so I'll gently pull it like this. I think I should lose this rope first. So I loosed it so it will be easy to pull out. Here is it. What I need to do now is to mold the down part of it, which is the brim now. Okay, you know, we're not able to do it that time because of the way the cooler is too long. Okay, so right now I'm going to place it like this. Okay, ensure that everything is firm. Just try to pull it a little bit, so know that we're concentrating more on the brim side. So I'll just start using my pegs to peg it down till everything is firm. Okay, thereafter I'm going to flip it over and add my stiffener to it, just the way we added stiffener at the mold. Okay, so this is how you're going to continue doing it till you go round. And while placing your stiffener, ensure that it touches that place where you have the pegs, okay, if possible. Or like what I did was I tried to remove some of the pegs to make sure it touches it, okay, so you can see what I'm doing. So you remove it, and just when you finish adding, you return it back. Now it's after that you put it in the sun and it's dried right now, so I will gently remove the pegs again, then remove the mold from it. You can see it. So let me keep my mold right now. We're going to start the design right away. You can see how strong it's looking. Wow, who could have believed what we're supposed to throw away, and this is the outcome. Wow, this is amazing. So now for the design, I brought out the former design that came with the hearts. So I'll just try to arrange them in a way that they look nice, okay, or look renewed. Then after adjusting it like this is the one they used to cover up the brim. That's the side of the brim. So I'll just add some glue to it and press the edges down because they were coming off already. After that, I'm gonna use it to go around or to cover it back the way it was, okay. Remember that we're renewing this thing, we're not making anything new, okay. Let me quickly welcome you once more to this channel. To our old members that have subscribed so far, I say thank you, and thank you. I'm so glad and grateful to you all for believing in us, for subscribing to our channel. God will bless you. And if today is your first time in this channel, you're welcome, you're in the right place. Thanks for stopping by to check on us, and please kindly subscribe to our channel. The subscribe button is just down below. Kindly subscribe so that you'll be getting more creative videos like this from us, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified anytime we upload new videos. We want to see you again. So if you have any question to ask, you can ask in the comment section below, okay. Don't forget to give us thumbs up and feel free to share this video, okay. Remember, the subscribe button is just down below like I said before, and it doesn't cost anything. You don't have to pay for subscribing, so subscribe so that we can be friends, okay. Thank you so much. Can you see the heart is almost ready? So after adding glue at this design part, I'll just stick it to it like this, and off you go. The heart is being renewed now. Wow, can you see it? I'm done with it. Wow, is this not amazing? Who would have believed that from an old worn-out hat this can come out? This is so interesting. I want you to try it out yourself. If you have any old hats that you feel like throwing away, try this out. Can you see it on me? Wow, am I not looking beautiful? If you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.